Samsung Galaxy S25 series is expected early next year, and recently one of the major question marks has been whether Samsung will ship these phones with entirely Snapdragon or reserve Exynos for some markets. Well, the rumor is that there is a new contender in the race. There could perhaps be a third Samsung Galaxy S25 MediaTek variant. There have been some wild rumors about the Galaxy S25. Apart from a brand new design, Samsung's high-end phones for 2024 are expected to have more powerful chips. While some rumors suggest that the South Korean firm could drop its in-house chip, others suggest Samsung could even use a MediaTek chip, a first in the company's history. According to a new claim from Chinese tipster Digital Chat Station, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 has AI-powered frame generation technology. This technology is similar to AMD's FSR and NVIDIA's DLSS. With this frame generation technology, the chip is powerful enough to run Genshin Impact at 1080p resolution and a 120 FPS frame rate. Flagship phones equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip can run Genshin Impact at 60 FPS with all graphics settings maxed out. According to the reputed leaker Ice Universe, it seems that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could bring a major redesign of the internal chassis and the titanium-coated side frame, with the result being that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would finally bring back rounded corners, enabling a more comfortable in-hand experience. The last Galaxy Ultra phone to have a truly smooth, rounded corner design was the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and many users have long wanted this design identity to make a comeback. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a rounded design similar to the Note 7. Samsung is unlikely to produce Exynos 2500 due to the low 3nm GAA yield. While Samsung is denying any issues in its 3nm production facility, things seem not to be good. A new report indicates that Samsung's 3nm GAA yields are at less than 20%. China's MyDrivers reports that Samsung's 3nm GAA yields are at less than 20%. While there's a long gap in the platform's debut, yield may not improve significantly. It would result in Samsung cancelling the production of its next flagship Exynos chip. Recently, there were rumors that MediaTek would replace Exynos in the next Samsung flagships. The company is allegedly collaborating with MediaTek to develop a custom Dimensity chip. If the possible discussion goes well, we might see the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus with a Dimensity chip. Samsung executive statement on 3nm GAA yield suggests that it won't easily let go of Exynos 2500. Cancelling its next flagship, Exynos would send the wrong message to its potential clients. However, damaging the reputation of Samsung Mobile to safeguard Exynos value won't be a good deal. Qualcomm is slated to launch the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in October this year. This flagship chipset is expected to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra internationally. The company's latest and greatest system on a chip will feature a custom Orion CPU with a significant performance boost. Analysts find this development plausible, given that Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip is expected to be 30% more expensive than its predecessor. The current Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 reportedly costs around $190 $200 per unit, while the Gen 4 could rise to $260. Including MediaTek as a supplier could help Samsung negotiate better pricing with Qualcomm. At this stage, there is no telling if Samsung can improve its 3nm GAA yields, but on various occasions, the foundry was said to trail behind TSMC in mass-producing wafers on cutting-edge lithography. The Korean technology also lost out on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 orders for this very reason. So assuming that Samsung has run out of options and cannot materialize the Exynos 2500 in time, we might see the Galaxy S25 models arrive with a different SoC. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.